Hi, it's Marcus Cheatham at the Mid-Michigan District Health Department, serving Clinton, Gratiot, and Montcalm counties in central Michigan with a COVID vaccine update for February 10th, 2021. And what I want to talk about today is how to sign up to get vaccinated. I want this video to be a little how-to, especially the first half, something you could show to an employee who's getting calls from the public about, help me get signed up, I don't know how to do it, or show to a relative who's trying to figure it out. Toward the end, I'm going to get into some other weedy things you might not want to share with everybody. I'm going to show you exactly how to report it if you have a reaction to the vaccine, if you want to report it. I'm also going to show you how to sign up to volunteer to help. We're getting inundated with calls from people who want to help us, and I'll show you how to do that. But just before I jump into the how-to part, 3 quick points I want to make. The first is that our 3 counties are doing pretty well in terms of vaccination coverage compared to other counties in Michigan, at least. We're getting close to having enough first doses so that about 90 out of 1,000 people have been vaccinated so far. So that's really good. The bad news is we know for sure next week there will be fewer first doses coming into the community. So people who are struggling, next week is going to be a tough week also. So better news, we've been told by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services that in March, FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, is going to be working with local health departments to stand up really massive vaccination clinics, the kind where you have big numbers, big lines. There will be a lot more vaccine available. So we're really looking forward to that happening. So let me jump into it here now. This is a screenshot of the health department's, this is the health department's webpage. When you see this splash screen here with the needle, you click on that and you come to this webpage here and you just scroll down and all of the resources locally are available there for you. So all of the hospitals, Spectrum, MidMichigan, Sparrow, McLaren, then other places, Meijer Pharmacy. There's going to be more pharmacies with vaccine in the not too distant future. And then the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic. What the heck is that? So I'll be talking about all of that stuff in just a minute. But if you scroll down, you come here where it says sign up to receive important updates. All you got to do is click here and put your email address in here and click sign up, and you'll be on the health department's list to so that when we have vaccine available, we will email you and you can come be vaccinated. We have tens of thousands of people on our list, and when we get vaccine, it's only a few hundred doses at a time. So please be patient. It's going to take a long time. So let's go back up to this list and explore it a little bit. The West Michigan Vaccine Clinic, what the heck is that? So you can click on that link or Google it, and this is their webpage. You can see that this is sponsored in part by Spectrum Health and Mercy Health. So thank you so much to all of them. It's located in DeVos, at DeVos Place in Grand Rapids. It's available to anyone from the Mid-Michigan District Health Department. If you are willing to drive to Grand Rapids, there's a vaccine clinic there. You click on the link and they'll email you when they have openings. But again, they only get a couple of thousand doses at a time, and tens of thousands of people are on that list. So also on our list here, Sparrow Hospital. So this is Sparrow's webpage. So you think Sparrow Hospital, oh, well, first of all, it says right at the top, the appointments are full. They don't have openings right now. So you think Sparrow, so that's going to be for Ingham County, Lansing. No, look who's eligible. There's Clinton County right there. There's Montcalm County. There's Gratiot County. We have Sparrow providers in all of our counties, so we're part of their service area. So you can get vaccinated at Sparrow Hospital. So if you scroll down, they have their instructions and then a button to click on to be notified when they have openings, and then information about where to go. There's a picture of their big clinic in Frandor, but actually all of their labs have openings. So that's great. Here is the website of MidMichigan Health, and they have openings also. You can scroll down and there's some steps they want you to follow to get on their waiting list. This one right here, step number 3, this is the one you care about because it tells you how to contact them. They would like you to use the patient portal, your My MidMichigan account, if you're a patient, but otherwise you can click on either one of these 2 phone numbers or call either one of these 2 phone numbers, and they will put you on the list, and then they call you when they're ready for you to come and get vaccinated. I mentioned Meijer. So here's the Meijer website. This is just, Meijer.com. They are doing vaccinations at all of the locations in our jurisdiction. So DeWitt, Alma, Greenville. So you just click here. They have a little survey they want you to fill out, and you'll get on their waiting list, and they'll call you to come get vaccinated. Like I said, very soon, CVS also is going to have a lot of vaccine. And I just want to say, MidMichigan District Health Department, we've been giving vaccine to Sparrow for the Carson campus, for the Clinton County campus. We've been giving it to Meijer. We're going to be giving it to Spectrum for next week. So we're making sure these places have a vaccine for you. So that's the how-to part of this. So please share this with people who are struggling. Actually, one more thing in terms of how to. This is the Michigan.gov coronavirus webpage. Right at the top, they say COVID hotline number. There it is. I highlighted that for you. Anyone can call that number to get help for vaccination. You can also call 211 from anywhere in our jurisdiction. These numbers are actually the same. They go to the same place. And at the end of it, you can get to a person who will actually go to a website and sign you up. If you can't do it yourself or you have a relative who can't do it, they will help. Now, the thing that I want you to know is if you call there, the message is really, really long. You have to stay on the phone and you have to press buttons and you have to stay on there for 3 or 4 minutes. This is the message. It's a long message, but do it. Please stay on the phone because they can actually do the signing up for you. Also, our offices on aging, in all 3 of our counties, will be providing this service also. So there'll soon be a lot of different places people can go where someone will actually sign them up if they can't do it themselves. So if you go to the Michigan.gov vaccine webpage, they walk you through this also. So you click on that link, you scroll down, find a site in your county, you click on that. All the local health departments are listed here. So if you scroll down, here's the MidMichigan District Health Department. Notice that a lot of them don't have phone numbers. Health departments are overwhelmed. If you call, you almost certainly won't get an answer. We're still leaving our number out there. So please, please do call us if you need to, and we will walk you through all of this, put you on a list if you can't sign yourself up also ourselves. So that's the how-to part of this. So I'm going to get a little more into the weeds on this. On the Department of Health website, here's a link for access the state's vaccine data. If you click on that, here's where you can see the vaccines that are being distributed in Michigan. You get a map of the whole state, and you can hover your cursor over a county. Here's Clinton County. Look at that, almost 10,000 vaccinations, like I said, out of a community of a little less than 80,000 people. So that's really good. There's Gratiot County, 6,000. So Gratiot County has a lot fewer people than Clinton County. So that's not bad. There's Montcalm County, 6,000 also. Montcalm should have more people vaccinated. The health department's doing it. Meijer's doing it. You can go to Grand Rapids to the DeVos Clinic. Spectrum has had clinics. We need more people vaccinated in Montcalm County. It should be more like 8,000. So we're going to be partnering with Spectrum to get Montcalm County up to speed. I mean, we're all using our vaccines. We just need more people to sign up. That's the problem. We need more people to sign up in Montcalm County. So into the weeds a little bit more here. What if you want to volunteer? A lot of people want to volunteer with us. So, excuse me. So a lot of messages coming in. This is the Michigan Volunteer Registry. So like I said, in March, we're going to be having huge clinics. We're going to need lots of volunteers to help us. Right now, there's nothing to do. There's not enough vaccine. If we have 30 volunteers, that's 30 people standing around with nothing to do. But if you want to help, click on this red link here, register, and then fill out this form. You need to fill it all out. If you're helping us, you're going to be working with vulnerable people in a HIPAA compliant environment. In other words, confidential health information. So we need you to be vetted. So we need you to fill out this form, and they will do a background check, but then we will be calling you. So that's how you volunteer. The other thing that people are calling us about, if they have a reaction, they want to report it. And so they call the health department. They can't get through. The lines are full. It's very frustrating. Well, we don't take those reports anyway. That is the Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System. Vaccine Adverse Event Reporting System, VAERS.gov. So you go to that website, and it's easy to report the event. You just click over here, report online. There's a form to fill out. You can report anything. Nobody's editing this. This isn't controlled by some spy agency that's trying to keep the truth from getting out. Any citizen can report anything at all here. Just fill it out, please. So this is what you can do to get people registered. Again, go to our website, mmdhd.org. That's how you get people signed up. It's got all of the links. That's my report for today. We'll be back as soon as we have more information. As soon as there's more vaccine, we'll be telling you about it. So thanks very much for listening. Stay safe, stay healthy.